The works on the reconstruction of the long-awaited Lusaka City Market, which was gutted in July 2017, are underway. It took 4 years for this to come to pass, and City Market Assistant Operations Manager Joseph Musenge has informed the nation that the works that were supposed to start on 20 February 2021 have been moved to 22nd February 2021.
And we hope to finish by tomorrow, Sunday, so that by come Monday, the men in uniform that are doing the works will be here. They will start doing the works.
He says preparations have started and some marketeers have already been relocated to safer shelters.
So far, we are relocating the people from the place that will be renovated, taking them to at least to a temporary site.
And the marketeer who has been trading at the place for some time now, Mary Mwansa, says she's happy that finally the market has been looked at by the government. Another marketeer, Edna Bwali, who was full of joy, had this to say. Sole Mugara reporting for Muvi TV in Lusaka.